Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this rainbow oval tray. This was one of my experiments from a process I saw on Instagram by Julia Knoll Art and Naptime Creations. Theirs was poured over a cling, but I decided to change it up a little bit and add that cling to the mold, giving it my personal touch. So here it is. I took a mold and I cut a window cling to size. This was a holographic window cling from Amazon. So I just cut it to size and peeled the backing off. And since it's a cling, it stuck well to the silicone without actually being sticky like a sticker. So it was just a cling and I pressed it around, making sure that all the surfaces were touching, and I used my thumb gently to push out the bubbles under the cling so as to prevent the resin from seeping under it. So you can see it here. And when it was done, I mixed up some resin and I used my Illuminate black pigment. It's a really beautiful pigment. I'm not paid to say this, but I just love the way it works. It mixes so well with the resin and it blends and there's no streaking, and I just love this plain black instead of using a mica for a black pigment. So I mixed just a couple drops in almost like 6 ounces of resin and mixed it well and just poured over the mold gently and slowly to reduce the number of bubbles. So here you can see it's a little sped up video, but I poured it very slowly just to make sure that it's going in all the corners and there are no bubbles forming anywhere. So I poured it and let it cure for about 18 hours. It's getting hot in here in New Jersey, so 18 hours was fine. Usually I keep it for about 20 to 24 hours. So here it is. I used 91% alcohol to spray over the poured resin to reduce the bubbles. You can see there's like no bubbles at all on the surface. So here it is. I demolded it. I had no idea what to expect, and I was actually scared to see that flat part and no design. So I used like a cutter blade and poked around the edges to see if the cling would lift up, and thankfully it did. You can see me peeling it here, and once you peel it, it's like magic. Look at that. It looks like a plain black dish, but when you turn it at an angle, you see all these holographic rainbows. I just love it. I hope you like this tutorial, and if you do, please like and share this video. And if you make something like this, please tag me so I know what you made, and I would love to see that. Thank you very much for watching, and see you again next time.